The magician takes the coin and it instantly vanishes. He then produces it from thin air. Watch the coin as it visually disappears and then reappears inside the pen lid. The coin magically jumps from one hand to the other. The magician takes the coin, vanishes it, and then visually makes it reappear. And I'm even going to teach you how to push a coin through solid glass. Hey, welcome back to the channel everyone, it's Owen here, and in this video you're going to learn 8 amazing coin tricks. Now it's not actually me performing these effects, it's a very talented magician called Hamed, who is a sleight of hand champion from Iran, and he's actually got his own YouTube channel where he teaches more simple tricks like this, so be sure to check it out by clicking the link in the description. Anyway, let's learn these amazing coin tricks. The magician has a coin, he rubs the coin on the table, and it vanishes. This is an easy trick. Take any coin and rub it in small circular motions. As you do this, drag the coin back using your palm. Keep dragging it back until it falls onto your lap. Do this under your hand so the spectators cannot see it fall. The magician takes a coin and it magically jumps hands. Take any coin and hold it between your thumb and first finger like this at your fingertips. Come in with your other hand and pretend to take the coin. Now you don't actually want to take the coin, but have your middle finger and thumb touch, and then allow the coin to drop into your left hand. This is the secret behind the illusion, and it's known as the French drop vanish. Drop the coin and then pretend to take it. Then simply put one hand over the other to show that the coin has vanished and then is reproduced in the other hand. The magician has a coin and a glass. He pushes the coin right through the glass. This trick needs 2 identical coins. Place one coin into what is known as classic palm. This is where the coin goes into the center of your hand and your thumb muscles keep it in place. Now display the coin and the glass to the spectator. This is clean and fair. Place the other coin on your palm and then bring the glass down onto it. Tap it 3 times, and on the 3rd tap, drop the palmed coin into the glass. This creates the illusion that the coin has gone through solid glass. Then curl your fingers up and dump out the coin. This is a very powerful illusion. Very quickly, if you want to learn 5 amazing magic tricks that are simply too good to reveal on YouTube, then sign up to my free magic masterclass. Inside the masterclass, I'm going to be showing you how to read the mind of your spectator. I'm going to be showing you how to put thoughts inside your spectator's head. I'll be teaching you the same effects that Dynamo uses when people tell him to perform, so you can get amazing reactions like this.
What the hell?
And I'll even teach you the ultimate party tricks that next time you're out at any social event, you'll be able to impress anybody that you like. So the whole thing is 100% free, I really mean it, there's no strings attached. So just sign up by clicking the first link in the description, and I'll teach you some mind-blowing magic tricks that you'll be able to perform within minutes of learning how to do them. The magician has 2 coins and places them into the spectator's hand. He then takes one coin and it magically jumps into his other hand. This trick requires 2 coins. You need to practice doing this false transfer. To do it, palm the coin by placing it into your hand and hold it in place with your thumb muscle. Then practice tossing it into your other hand, but in reality you squeeze your thumb to keep it in the same place. This is known as a false transfer. Now pick up the other coin, and with a bit of showmanship you can create the illusion that it's jumped hands. The magician takes a coin, vanishes it, and then visually produces it again. To do this, you need to place the coin in between your thumb and middle finger. Come over with your other hand and then take it by clipping the coin between your thumb and first finger. Practice this over and over again until it's natural. It's a very simple move, but you just need to practice it a few times. In this clip position, you can act as if your hand is empty by tossing it to the side. Then to produce the coin, drop it onto your fingertips. And it's very important that you have your fingertips up so the spectators cannot see the coin that's hiding behind it. Then to produce the coin, just flip it backwards as shown and it will fall into your other hand. Open up your hand to reveal that the coin has magically been reproduced. The magician has a coin, vanishes it, and then visually produces it again. This is a false transfer that is more advanced and will take some practice, but here's how it works. Place the coin into your open palm whilst holding it at your fingertips. Then curl your finger around the coin to take it. But then extend your middle finger and pull back on the coin. This creates the illusion that you're taking the coin when in reality it's staying in your other hand, and you need to practice this often to get this really smooth. And as you can see, this is a very visual coin vanish, and in the magic world it is known as the retention vanish. So just keep practicing the retention vanish over and over again, place the coin into your hand, then pull your fingers over the coin, and then use your middle finger to pull it back into the same hand, and then close your hands around the coin to create the illusion that it's vanished. Once the coin has vanished, you then need to produce it again. Slide the coin up using your thumb so it's on the pad of your first finger. Then curl your first finger around the coin and then use your thumb to place it behind your middle finger as shown. From the spectator's view, the coin is invisible. Then to make the coin appear again, simply grab it and push it through the hole. This is a super visual trick that takes a bit of practice, but it's definitely worth learning. The magician takes a coin, vanishes it, and then wipes his hand clean. He then makes the coin reappear. This is one of my absolute favourite effects to do, and it's called wiped clean. Take any coin and place it into classic palm as explained earlier. You're holding the coin with your thumb muscle. Then do a false transfer by tossing the coin into your other hand when in reality you retain it in the palm position. Again, this is a simple vanish, but you need to practice it often to get it really smooth. The hand which is pretending to catch the coin needs to move backwards as if it was really catching it. So a way to practice this move is to actually toss the coin a few times and then toss the coin but keep it in the palm position afterwards. The more advanced part of this move is the wiped clean part. So to begin, show that the coin is vanished and then brush the empty hand with the hand that has the coin palmed in it. When you've done that, flip your hands over, but be sure to use your fingers of your left hand to cover the coin and hide it. Then use these fingers to slide the coin down your hand to the fingertips. Finally, with the coin resting on your fingertips, flip your right hand over again and use your fingers to place it back into the finger palm position. This is a very convincing way to make it appear as if your hands are empty after vanishing the coin. From here you can then flick your hands to create the illusion that both hands are empty, and then you can produce the coin in any way you like. One of the ways that I like to produce it is as shown. You drop the coin into your left hand in the action of circling it, and then reveal that the coin is back. The magician has a coin and a pen. He taps the coin and it vanishes. The coin then reappears inside the pen lid. Tap the coin 3 times with the pen. As you do this, keep the fingers that are holding the pen very loose. And you're simply going to toss the coin up and catch it in those fingers. Practice this over and over again until you get it. To produce the coin, drop it onto the table as you uncap the pen.